What's that? Guitar. Say again. What do you call this? What is this?
Guitar.
Guitar. Right. God is good to sing. God is good to me. God is good to me. He holds my hand and lets me stand. God is good to. God is good to me. You sing muna, anak. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I, E-I-E-I, E-I-E-I. What's next? E-I-E-I. Oh, what's that? Piano. Okay. You play. Yeah. Sing muna. Sing another song. Kanta pa ikaw. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine. Let it, let it shine. Hide it under the bushel. No, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel. No, I'm gonna let it. Ala, tinamad na. Offs, Audrey. Don't tear the book. Uh-oh. Ingat ha, hindi ang libro pinipilas. Yan. Okay, play. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Do. Guitar. Audrey Grace. Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo muna? Bata, anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Guitar. That's right, Mama. Busy pa ako, Mama eh. Anong pangalan mo? Ay siya, busy talaga. What's your name? What's your name? Sorry muna, Mama. Guitar. Okay, bye-bye na. Say bye. Bye.